Welcome all of you. BSc second semester 4 Inorganic Chemistry topic P block elements. Today we will discuss the point that is oxyacids of nitrogen. Oxyacids of nitrogen from variety of oxyacids, some of gives are below. Number 1, hyponitrous acid. Second, hyponitric acid. Next, nitrous acid. Next, nitric acid. And last one is pernitric acid. Today we will discuss the two acids, that is oxyacids of nitrogen. Number 1, nitrous acid, and second one, nitric acid. Now, nitrous acid, that is formula HNO2. So it is unstable, oxidant, reductant, and exists only in solution. It is a monobasic weak acid. So preparation, that is preparation of nitrous acid, it is unstable, so its solution may be obtained by acidifying solution of nitrite NaNO2 with mineral acids, that is HCl, HBr, etc. So NaNO2 plus HCl, it gives NaCl plus HNO2. Now physical properties of nitrous acid HNO2. It is monobasic weak acid. Its solution has pale yellow color. Now chemical properties. It undergoes auto-oxidation in aqueous solution as thrice HNO2, it gives HNO3 plus H2O plus twice NO, that is nitric acid. Second chemical property, that is it is oxidant as well as reductant. It oxidizes strong reducing agents like HI, H2SO3, and reduces strong oxidants like KMNO4, K2Cr2O7, H2O2, etc. Now, structure of HNO2. Its formula is HNO2. It is monobasic acid suggesting only one OH group in HNO2. Third one, microwave spectroscopic studies suggest that it has transplanar structure, which is shown below, when it exists in gaseous phase. So this is the structure of HNO2, that is H, O, N and O, that is HNO2. The HO, bond length of HO, that is 95 pm. This ON, bond length of ON, that is 143.3 pm. Now this bond length N double bond O, 118 pm. Bond angle ONO is 110.7 degree, and the bond angle HON is 102.1 degree. So this is the structure of nitrous acid. Next chemical property, it is a monobasic, so it has one OH group. Further, it is an oxidant as well as a reductant. Thus, it is believed that it has following tautomeric form in equilibrium. So this is the this is tautomeric form in equilibrium, that is, this is the acid form, this is nitro form. Both these above structures are supported by various chemical reactions. Now, occurrence of HNO2. Its Earth's atmosphere, it is produced by combination of nitric acid NO and water, which helps in regulating the ozone content in the atmosphere. And uses of HNO2, it is widely used in preparation of diazonium salts, azo-dyes, etc. Now second oxyacids of nitrogen is nitric acid HNO3. It is monobasic. HNO3 is monobasic. Okay. Oxidant, strong acid, corrosive, causes painful sores. Okay, and here it is also called as aqua. It is also called as the aqua fortis or spirit of nitre. Concentrated nitric acid 68% above 68% called fuming nitric acid. It has two types, namely red fuming and white fuming, like this. Next, preparation by heating the mixture of NaNO3 and H2SO4 in a glass retort. It is prepared with the mixture of NaNO2 and H2SO4 in glass resort. Okay, now next one, the vapors of HNO3 are condensed in a water cooled reservoir. Second method for preparation, on commercial scale, it is prepared by the catalytic oxidation of NH3, that is Ostwald's process. So 4NH3 plus 5O2, it gives 4NO, that is nitric oxide, plus 6H2O. Then NO plus O2, it gives twice NO2, and twice NO2 plus twice H2O plus O2, which gives 4HNO3. In water, in presence of air, it gives 4HNO3. Okay. Now, physical properties of HNO3, that is nitric acid, are: it is liquid with an acrid, pungent, suffocating odor. Pungent called in Marathi, called as झणझणीत. Next, it is strong corrosive, causing painful sores. Next, chemical properties. It is monobasic. It is monobasic. It forms monohydrate HNO3 into H2O, trihydrate HNO3 into thrice H2O solids. It undergoes decomposition by heat or light as 4HNO3 in the presence of light and heat, it gives twice H2O plus 4NO2 plus O2. Next, it is powerful oxidizing agent, oxidizes metalloids and non-metals to their respective oxyacids. It also reacts with most of the metals. It attacks proteins, giving a yellow nitro compounds called xanthoproteins. Hence, it strains the skin. Next point is structure of HNO3. Its molecular formula is HNO3. Molecular formula of nitric acid is HNO3. It is monobasic acid, so it has only one OH group. It has only one OH group. On the basis of spectroscopic studies, its structural presence, it is structural presentation. Next, along with its planar structure, which is given below, when it exists in gaseous phase. So, the structure of HNO3 is like this, that is HONO, and this O, that is HNO3, number 1, number 2 and number 3, that is O3. The bond length, that is HO, bond length HO 98 pm, bond length of ON is 141 pm, bond length of NO, that is 1.22 pm, 1.22 pm. So bond angle, that is ONO, is 130 degree. Bond angle ONO is 114 degree, and bond angle ONO is 116 degree. Okay, and this bond angle, that is HON, is 102 degree. Okay, so this is the structure of HNO3. Now fourth, thus we can write theoretically structure of HNO3 as, that is N double bond O N O OH, or HON double bond O and O, like this. Here both the terminal NO bond length are equal, thus this is because of resonance between N double bond O and NO. So the uses of HNO3 are, it is used in production of fertilizers, polymers, and as a nitrating agents, oxidizer in liquid fueled rockets. Other uses consist metal finishing, woodworking, etc. Now health hazards, that is health effect. It is corrosive, causes severe skin burns. It can decompose tissues. In dilute form also it can cause burns and stain the skin yellow. Its pungent fumes are irritating and damaging eyes, throat, and mucous membrane. Okay, thank you.